Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly.
We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage of man's Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing of man's Australia fair.
Hi everyone! I'd like to take a moment to thank all of our families for their flexibility and understanding with the industrial action yesterday. We really appreciate everyone for being so prompt in letting us know about their child's attendance and for making arrangements to keep your child at home at such short notice. We know changes like this can have a significant impact on families, and we're very grateful for your support and cooperation. Thank you for working together with us. I have a few exciting reminders to share with you today. Firstly, a reminder for our Year 1 students and teachers that your excursion to the Museum of Play and Art is happening on Thursday the 30th of July. We hope you have a fantastic day exploring, learning through play and making lots of wonderful memories. Make sure you're ready for an exciting day. Next week is also a very special milestone for our prep students as they celebrate 100 days of school. What an amazing achievement. 100 days of learning, growing and making new friends. To celebrate this special milestone, we will be holding a Bright Sparks Day on Friday the 31st of July. We invite all of our prep students to come, dressed in their brightest rainbow colours, sparkles, glitter, neon, outfits or anything that shines and sparkles as we celebrate being 100 days smarter. We can't wait to see all of our bright and colourful outfits. I'd also like to let our families know about an upcoming parent information session on Tuesday the 28th of July. This session will focus on how parents can support reading at home. We'll be sharing practical strategies around phonics, high frequency words and explaining how we teach reading here at Cranbourne East Primary School. It'd be a great opportunity for families to learn more about how they can support their child's reading journey. Parents, please refer to the Compass post for further information and instructions on how to register for the session. Finally, don't forget our Create Your Own book cover competition. Entries close on Wednesday, so there's still time to get involved. Let your imagination run wild and design a book cover for any story you like, or even create one for a story you have made up yourself. We can't wait to see all of your creative and colourful designs. If you need a book template, please see your classroom teacher. Have a wonderful week, everyone, and good luck to everyone entering the competition.
Hi, I'm Cadence and this is Suhan with next week's Respect Expectations.
Next week we are focusing on I enter and exit the classroom calmly and quietly. You can do this by we enter the classroom ready to learn.
Using a quiet voice during transitions.
Welcome to this week's Student Talk. Today we are interviewing Faraz and Imran from 1B. Now onto the questions. What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
My favorite sport is soccer. Sui.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Soda Pop.
My favorite song is Soda Pop.
My mama and Paul is in second.
What is your favorite TV show or
My
movie?
favorite TV show is Mickey Mouse.
My favorite TV show is Tom and Jerry.
Who is your favorite celebrity?
My favorite celebrity is
My
teachers.
my favorite celebrity is my Tito and everything. Every Tito.
What is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 67.
My favorite number is 21.
What job do you want to do when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
I want to be Bowman.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza
My
and
favorite
sushi.
My favorite food is pizza.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
My
That would be-
superpower would be teleportation.
My one is possible because I'm the dean. I want to be a genius.
What is your favorite pizza topping?
My pizza topping is pepperoni.
My favorite pizza topping is cheese.
What is your favorite event at school?
My favorite is Color Fun
My
Run.
favorite event is Color Fun Run.
Thank you, Faraz and Imran, for your time today. Stay tuned for more Student Talk next week.
Bye.
Bye.
That brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. Remember to keep showing respect to our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves.
We hope to have an amazing week full of learning, laughter, and respectful choices. Stay safe and be proud. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.